All right, a very quick tip that you can use when you're making bao, when you're making pretzels, when you are making pizza discs, and it is about dividing this dough in a way that every single piece is kind of the same size. So a lot of times what you see is like you say roll this into a log, but when you roll into a log, the ends kind of taper off and a little skinnier, right? And I just recently learned this and it's so cool. So you make a hole in the middle and you work this dough into a ring. There we go. So doesn't have skinny ends. And now from here, in our case, what we're doing is dividing this into 6 pieces. So I'm gonna divide this into half. And then each one into 3 equal parts. Because 3 times 2 is 6. All right. Okay, so quick tip. And what you're gonna do is roll this back into a ball. Actually, if you want to, just oil up your hands a little bit and roll them back. And what we're doing here is we're gonna let these guys rise again. It's called second proofing, okay, or second rise. So we ensure they are so fluffy. And once you have them all ready, rolled into balls, you can cover with a towel. I have my towel right here and put into that warm spot. And for me today, it is in the oven with just the light on. Okay.